Hi everyone, it's Thuha, and today I'm going to show you how to get these beautiful waves without using any heat tools. This has been my favorite overnight method for the past few years. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more heatless curls and waves tutorial. Without further ado, let's get rolling. To start, I recommend having freshly washed hair that's about 70 to 80% dry. Make sure to brush through your hair to get rid of any tangles. Once you have a good base, begin by grabbing the top portion of your hair and divide it into two sections. Twist them around each other twice and then add some hair from the side to each section. Twist your hair around each other twice again and then add in some hair afterward. Go ahead and continue twisting and adding hair until you get to the nape of your neck. If you're planning to let your hair air dry while you're awake, I suggest doing this twist right down in the middle for symmetry. However, if you're planning to do this overnight, you can make the twist to the side so it's more comfortable to sleep. Once you get to the nape of your neck and there's no more hair to add, go ahead and finish this off with a rope braid. Just divide your hair into two sections and twist them in the same direction. Then, wrap them in the opposite direction. I recommend braiding the ends pretty loosely so you don't get any kinks, and it's totally fine if any short layers fall out like mine. Tie your hair off at the end, and now we play the waiting game. Please let your hair air dry for a few hours over a good night of sleep. It's very important that it's completely dry because any remaining water will weigh down and straighten your waves. Alright, let's see the results. Here's what my braid looks like after waiting for 5 hours and taking a nap in between. To release the waves, you want to unravel your hair gently. Don't use a comb to brush it, otherwise your hair may get frizzy. If you have any hair smoothing serum, now is a good time to apply it. From here, just arrange your hair to your liking, and you're done! I love these heatless beachy waves. Since they start from the top, they add a ton of volume and look pretty natural. This has been my field-proof method for the past few years, so I hope you'll give it a try. Feel free to check out my other heatless curls and waves tutorial for more ideas. Thank you so much for watching, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Toodles!